Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Aavix pole chainsaw. First, you're going to want to undo the two bolts on the front, opening the housing. Remove the chain blade from the bag. Remove the blade from the bag. Place the blade around If it does not fit, you can adjust the tensioner using a flat screwdriver. Once it's fitted on nice and tight, you can then replace the housing cover. And tighten firmly. All tools required for assembling your Aavix chainsaw are provided in the box. Next, you're going to want to remove the Allen key and take out the bolt located in the center. Removing the bolt completely. Next, you're going to want to extend the pole a little bit and lock it into position. Now, you're going to align the guide into the hole and give it a little thrust. Making sure that the hole aligns. Drop the bolt back in and retighten. Make sure to add 30 SAE 30 oil or chainsaw oil to your chainsaw before operation. Now you are ready to use your pole chainsaw from Aavix. You can extend the reach up to 10 feet. and the safety is located on the handle. You can purchase the pole chainsaw from Aavix on its own or as a 2-in-1 deal with the hedge trimmer. These items can be located on our website or on Amazon or selected retail stores. If you have any question about our products, please contact customer support. We are always glad to help you.